Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to view completed tasks of a plan in Microsoft Planner. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to planner.cloud.microsoft. Once you're on the page, go ahead and log in using your Microsoft account credentials. This will give you access to all your plans and tasks that you've created or been assigned to within your organization. After logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a navigation menu. Look for and click on My Plans. This section displays all the plans you're currently a member of, making it easy to access and manage your various projects and workflows. From the list of plans that appears, click on the specific plan where you want to view completed tasks. This could be any project plan you're working on, whether it's a team project, personal tasks, or departmental workflows. Selecting a plan will open up its full board view with all the associated tasks and buckets. Once your plan is open, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find various toolbar options. Look for the filter icon and click on it. This filter feature is incredibly useful as it allows you to customize what tasks are visible on your board, helping you focus on specific categories or statuses without the clutter of all tasks at once. After clicking the filter icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several filtering options. From this menu, click on Status. This option specifically filters tasks based on their current completion state, which is exactly what we need to view only the tasks that have been marked as complete. Next, within the status filtering options, click on Completed. By selecting this option, you're telling Planner to hide all active or in-progress tasks and display only those that have been finished. This gives you a clear view of what's been accomplished in your project. Now your board will update to show only completed tasks. You'll notice that for each bucket in your plan, there's a drop-down indicator that says Completed Tasks. This is where all your finished items are organized by their respective buckets or categories, keeping everything structured even when viewing historical data. To see the actual completed tasks within each bucket, simply click on the Completed Task dropdown for any bucket you want to explore. This will expand the section and reveal all the tasks that have been marked as complete within that specific bucket. You can go through each bucket one by one to get a comprehensive view of everything that's been accomplished across your entire plan. And that's it. You've successfully viewed all completed tasks in your Microsoft Planner plan, organized neatly by bucket. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.